Hello friends, if you are a biker, then you would want good riding gear. It is an essential for every rider. Now, for this, one of the best things, one of the best places you can visit is the Riders Planet in Ghittorni near Gurgaon. And so this is the place that I'm going to show you. There are a lot of good quality jackets from very premium ones to the cheaper ones. This one is from Royal Enfield, and look at so many options here. These look some premium jackets, and there are some very good quality gloves, gauntlet gloves, winter gloves, summer gloves, all types of gloves, cheaper ones, costly ones. So I really like the options, the variety of options of gloves, riding gloves here, and definitely the next time I would buy riding gloves is most likely going to be from this place, as you get nice gloves at good prices. Look at the different options of gloves here, and there are a few that I liked more than the others, and it you must try them on before buying the gloves. So you must visit this place if you wanna really check which ones fit you the best, which ones are comfortable for you, which ones offer better safety. And this is the waterproof bike covers, and this is the balaclava. This balaclava is one item that I bought from this place, but somehow I did not like it so much. The material was good, but it was so tight, a bit tight on my nose, and it was covering my eyes also. So that's one problem that I encountered with their product. I hope they will work on this, the company that's making this balaclava. Otherwise the quality was fantastic. Now these are some other bike products. Now this is ride on air, which I have already bought online. There was some very premium helmets, and these are some of the luggage bags. These are some other items. This is particularly what I was looking for. I was really trying to buy some premium uh, riding boots. This Forma riding boots, I was really looking for those, but I was not able to find the ones or the particular size uh, suited for me online, and I could find this on this store. Talking about these boots, why I like these boots is these are very comfortable, one of the most comfortable boots, and along with that, these provide a lot of protection. There's some serious protection at the ankle. Okay, the rigidity is a little less. Now that there's a compromise that you have to make if you want extra little bit extra movement at the ankles and a little more comfort. Now for regular touring, these are great. Not only can you ride bike on these boots, you can even walk or hike on these boots. Now that makes these really attractive. And one another thing that I like these for is these boots have a wide front portion. So because my foot is wider on the front, so there is no dearth of space. There is enough space, and apart from that, the shoes are quite comfortable, and the build quality. When I saw the shoes in front of me, I was really amazed. These are really good quality shoes, offering a seriously good protection to your feet. And mind you, shoes are one of the best, one of the most important part of your riding gear, as a large percentage of motorcycle injuries are to the feet, your ankles, and your lower limbs including your legs and feet. So uh, these are the shoes that I may buy in near future. For now, I have got riding shoes because I was not able to get these online, and I had already ordered the rider. Uh, there's a new model of rider shoes that I will show you later on. For now, that's all. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. See you.